Hello, ladies and gentlemen! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the channel that's all about making your life easier with incredible hacks. I'm your host, Kelly, and today we've got something truly special for you. Get ready to unleash the power of vinegar with some unbelievable cleaning hacks. But before we get down to it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our amazing tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store today. Vinegar is not just for salads, folks. It's a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning, and we've got some mind-blowing hacks to prove it. Let's jump right in! Our first hack is the ultimate all-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle, and you've got a solution that can tackle almost any surface in your home. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and most importantly, it gets the job done right. However, a quick reminder, avoid using vinegar on stone surfaces as it may damage the stone. Is your microwave looking like a crime scene? Fear not! Pour some vinegar into a bowl, place it in the microwave, and heat it for a few minutes. The steam will loosen the grime, making it a breeze to wipe away. Next, say goodbye to scrubbing. If limescale is your arch nemesis, vinegar is here to save the day. Soak your faucets or shower heads in vinegar overnight, and watch that stubborn limescale disappear like magic. It's like having a brand new bathroom without the hefty price tag. These vinegar hacks are already game changers, but stick around because we've got a bonus hack coming your way at the end. You won't want to miss it. Now, let's take the power of vinegar to the laundry room. It's not just for cooking up cleaning magic in the kitchen. Oh no, it's a laundry superhero too. Tired of spending a fortune on fabric softener? Add a splash of vinegar to your laundry during the rinse cycle. Not only does it soften your clothes, but it also helps to break down detergent residue, leaving your clothes feeling fresh and clean. Next, stains be gone. Pre-treat stubborn stains with a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Let it sit for a bit before tossing it into the wash. Your clothes will thank you, and so will your wallet. These laundry hacks are going to revolutionize your laundry routine. But hold on tight because our bonus hack is just around the corner. Are you ready for the bonus hack that will blow your mind? Open the curtain, please. For a natural and chemical-free air freshener, mix vinegar with your favorite essential oil. It's a simple and cost-effective way to keep your home smelling fantastic. Just imagine the possibilities. These are the unbelievable cleaning hacks that unleash the power of vinegar. I hope you enjoyed these tips as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Before we go, let us know in the comments which vinegar hack surprised you the most. Click here for more all-natural cleaning tips. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.